Hello everybody, Handheld Gamer here. Welcome to another one. Today I got another fantastic episode for Thursday for unboxings of Masters of the Universe figures. And I got two more that I've never had before. And the first one is Anti-Eternia He-Man. Fantastic looking figure. And it's the most evil man in the universe. Never owned it, so can't wait to open that up. And the other one I never owned either, and it looks pretty cool, and that is Clamp Champ. So anyways, without further ado, sit back and let's check it out.
Don't go away! We'll be back right after these messages.
Okay, so here's the first figure in this package. Anti-Eternia He-Man. Most evil man in the universe. As you can see, the figure looks really cool there. Can't wait to open that box and check it out. Back of the thing. With the power of Hell Skull, the fearsome He-Man overthrew Anti-Eternia using his unmatched strength. Very cool, and it comes with a comic book, so let's open it up. I'll fast forward through it. Okay, so there is Anti-Eternia He-Man. So you get Anti-Eternia He-Man himself, and as you can see, it looks very cool, the paint job there. Very Anti-Eternia He-Man. Definitely looks evil. And just basically a repaint of He-Man. And you get the classic shield that He-Man gets, just everything's different colored. So, black shield there, so everything's anti-color. Let me get it on his hand here. Give me a second. Okay, so here is Anti-Eternia He-Man. Gets the cool sword, the shield, and the battle axe. And you can switch either one to carry. I have him with the sword for now. You can do the axe, either one. By the power of Hell Skull, looks pretty cool. So there is Anti-Eternia He-Man. And it came with a paper for the articulation points, or actually no, the removable parts. I keep forgetting. This just shows you what you can take off, all the parts. Break it down if you want. And a comic with Sunman. That's got a little bit of binding there problem. Ruler of Sunman Rises, and I don't know if, I think this is the same comic that came with Sunman, because he's part of the collection, so yeah, same comic. Pretty interesting. One of these days I gotta sit down and just read them all. But very cool. Anyways, that is it for this one of Sunman. Now let's check out the other figure. I'll just put him off to the side there. It looks very cool there. Clamp Champ. Heroic Master of Capture. Power Pincher snatches foes. And a master of hand-to-hand combat, Clamp Champ is an invaluable ally in the fight against evil. So there he is fighting Randor against Ninjor. Press the trigger on the Techno Clamp. I didn't know it's called Techno Clamp. And put a pinch on the enemies. So let's open it up and check it out. I'll fast forward through this. Okay, so here is Clamp Champ. Looks pretty cool actually. Looks like this armor is removable. There's some little hinges on the side there. Very cool head sculpt, I like it. And here is this pincher weapon. It gets quite a beefy weapon. That's pretty big for him. I'm gonna get it in his hand here. So there he is. Then you press this to pinch. Oh, you lock it and then you pinch. I got it. Okay. Let's test it out. Let's capture. Got him. Got the Anti-Eternia He-Man for a second. Okay. Not very powerful pinchers. They don't, you can just pull them, but it's still pretty cool. So there is Clamp Champ. Pretty cool. Pretty cool figure. Let me know of these two which one your favorite is there. I like them both equally for their own reasons. So very cool. And let's take a look at Clamp Champ's comic, Battle Armor Reborn. I probably got this comic already through the Battle Armor He-Man, I'm pretty sure. But it's been a while since I opened that one. Take out the removable parts pamphlet, and there it is. So very cool. Anyways, that is it for this episode. I hoped you liked it. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and don't forget to also smash that icon bell to stay tuned for more videos. Take care, everybody. Until next time, and have a good one.